Wagwan, big up on yourself. Who wants some jerk chicken? Watching a man, Kenny Good Vibes TV there with the jerk chicken on the menu today. Thank you very much for joining me. Alright, so we're gonna start off by, I have 6 leg quarter. I'm gonna go ahead and clean those up properly. Wash them, make sure any excess fat, feathers, anything on there, clean them off properly. Then, this is my secret season, Walkers with jerk season, hot and mild, adobo all-purpose season, garlic powder, black pepper. I'm gonna go ahead with the adobo all-purpose powder seasoning first, dab that over there. Then, of course, turn over both sides, and my garlic powder, go ahead and add some of that. And then, the famous Walkers with jerk season, 2 tablespoons of the mild and half tablespoon of the hot. And we're gonna go ahead and mix that in. Yeah man, make sure you rub that all over everywhere. This is supposed to touch everywhere on the chicken, guys. Spend some time and rub that in. Make sure it get under the skin anywhere it can get. You know what I mean? Yeah man. So when it reaches like this, I'm gonna get a fork and juke it up just to make the heat run right through. You know what I mean? And they cook properly and easy. You don't have to burn them up on the fire so they get dry out. Yeah man, so that look ready. So we're gonna go ahead and roll out the grill. Yeah man, roll out the grill outside and put in some charcoal and light up my fire. And yeah, of course, I'm gonna use my lighter fluid, and you know me have my little catch easy quick thing, you know. Yes guys, this is a very easy jerk chicken recipe. Yeah man, nothing extra, just simple jerk chicken. So I'm gonna put on the grill, make sure everything get heated up before I start adding my chicken. That's very important. Before you start adding chicken, make sure everything hot so the chicken don't stuck to the grill when you put it on there. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my chicken. I add them the meaty part down. I don't add the skin down first because I don't want the skin to start stuck into the grill first, you know. I want to add the meaty part first, so everything will come out properly. But you don't know, I jerk chicken in that on the grill. This is gonna take about 45 minutes. Yes guys, these are looking beautiful. You can see my jerk season just sitting on that, and some is under the skin. You don't know. So I'm gonna close my grill and give it some time. Watch that meter run up to about 300. Yeah, after a few minutes I check on them, you know, turn them. Ain't nothing wrong with turning them. You gotta flip them like about 3 or 4 different times. You can't make one side get all the burnings, you know.
A few moments later.
Yes guys, after a few minutes, wow, coming along. Yeah man, this is how they look. Coming along with low heat. Don't want the fire blaze up on there too much. When it start blazing, I carry down the fire all the way down. You don't want the fire to be blazing. And you want to get that nice crispy look, but you don't want them burn. Look at that guys, wow. I think these are ready. Yeah. I think these are ready, so I move them out of the fire heat itself and put them on top. So they're still getting some fire heat, but not as much. And after like 5-6 minutes up there, yeah, them ready guys. Let's go test them. Yeah, look at that. Juicy. Look at that, sliced through very easy, no blood coming out of there. You know what I mean? And it's just wonderful. Let's check how juicy this is. Look at all that juiciness. And I didn't even use a red stripe. Normally I would use a red stripe, but I couldn't find any red stripe in the house, so I just have to you know. Yeah, we're gonna make a meal out of this. I have over here some vegetable rice. Yeah, don't know me, I have my little pickle concussion. Yeah man, guys, thank you very much for joining me. If you're not yet subscribed, yeah, wait man. Subscribe to the channel man. Kenny Good Vibes TV saying, I'm out.